Conclusion. In this module, we looked at the importance of using business etiquette in multiple professional situations and reflected on what we can do to get better at using proper business etiquette. Key takeaways. The key takeaways for this module include keywords and phrases along with a checklist of business etiquette things we can do to improve our lives and the lives of people we interact with. Now that you have finished the Foundations in Professional English course, you are invited to join our forum. Please follow the link to join the forum and engage in conversations that will help you develop as a professional.